'88 Corvette Roadster. He's got the hood open, so we'll take a look under there at the super duper job of detailing he did, and it is. It's an automatic car. Got the super seats, all adjustable, everything and anything. And we got a 64.5 Barracuda. Automatic, fancy one. It's got a console and floor shift. Tachometer hanging down there. Stereo speakers. Rally wheels from some year. It's a 66, I'm sorry. And we got a 23T bucket. Ford powered even. And it's a beauty. Got the big gas tank. And we got a 15 or later Mustang GT.
Either did we. Let's go get some.
They sure are good looking in my opinion. It's a 2015. And it's all detailed as you might imagine. Here in a car show, we got the hood open. Belongs to a very involved car club, Loose Ends. They show up at a lot of car shows with a lot of cars. And we got a 67 Firebird convertible. And it's got a small block Chevrolet in it. But it's a sweetheart of a car. And he's got his picnic basket in the trunk, or in the back seat, sorry. And it's got an aftermarket floor shifter, and gauges and tack. Got a rear wing for a spoiler.
This guy said this. I don't know if you know about. You know quite a bit about these.
Yeah.